Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. Let's start the revision of exponent and then we will start the exercise. Okay, so for that let's see the PPT. Children, we have learned about laws of exponent in previous class, isn't it? You have learned about laws of exponents, how you can use those laws of exponents in the examples, in the questions. This we will discuss today. But before that, let's revise the laws of exponent. It is very important as well as interesting. Now, as you can see, the base are same. Whether it is an integer or a rational number, the rules will be same for all children. Okay, so the base is b. In the same way, the second one is also b. Both the bases are same, b and b, and we are multiplying them, children. So what will happen? We will add their power. B to the power 3 into b to the power 8. 3 plus 8 power will be added and the result will be b to the power 11. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now the next one is when we divide, children, when we divide the same integer or rational number having power. So if you will divide with the same base, see, base is a, and in the denominator also base is a. The bases are equal and you are dividing it, children. So the power will be subtracted. Power will be a to the power x minus y. For example, if you can see 3 to the power 11 divided by 3 to the power 6. So it will be 3 to the power 11 minus 6. Power will be subtracted, children, and answer will be 3 to the power 5. If in numerator the power is less, then also we will do the same. Answer will come in negative. 7 to the power minus 5 is coming. So we will do the reciprocal of 7 by 1. So the answer will be 1 by 7 to the power 5. Now for the next part, let's see. See this is b to the power x to the power y. Here the power is multiplying with another power. You can see the bracket. When we are raising an exponent to another exponent, then we will multiply them. A to the power 3 to the power 5, then a to the power 3 and bracket is there and then it is 5 in power. So the power will be multiplied with each other. A to the power 3 into 5. Okay. Now next one is this one. Zero exponent rule means any number whose power is 0, the answer will always be 1. Either it is x to the power 0 or it is 3 to the power 0 or 300 to the power 0. Any number whose power is 0, the answer will be 1. How? This we have done it in the previous class. If you have missed that class, go through it. Now children, one more is negative exponent. This law says that if you are having a negative exponent, then what you will do? You will reciprocal the given number. Like 2 by 5 whole to the power minus 6 is there. 2 by 5 raised to the power minus 6 is there. So what you will do? 2 by 5, the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. And now you can see the power is now in positive. The negative exponent will change into positive exponent if you will reverse the number, if you will reciprocal that number. Now children, after this, some laws were given in your book. This I have told you to write down in your notebook. I hope you all have completed, isn't it? Now question answers also. First question already we have done in previous class. So now let's move to the second question. So we will do second question. Express each of the following in power notation. Express each of the following in power notation, children. Means whatever is given to us, we have to write it in the as a exponential form. Number is a rational number is given to us, we will find that whether some exponential form is there or not, and then we will write it in that way. Like the first question is 25 by 36. Let's do it. Question number 2, 25 by 36. It is a rational number, isn't it? Question number 2, first part, 25 by 36. Children, it is 5th chapter, so we will do all odd number question and odd parts. See, 25 can be written as 5 into 5. It is 5 5s are 25, so 25 can be split into 5 into 5, and 36 can be written as 6 into 6, children. 6 6 are 36 is there, isn't it? Now what is this? 5 5, base are same and you are multiplying, so their power will be added. No power means 1. No power means 1. So their power will be added. 5 is multiplying 2 times, so you can write it like this, or you can use the law of exponent. Base are same, you are multiplying, so their power will be added. So 5 to the power 2 upon 6 into 6, 6 to the power 2. Base is same, children, 6 and 6, and you are multiplying them, so their power will be added. So this is the answer. Or you can make it more simpler. You can write it as 5 by 6, because both were having the same power. Both were having the same power, so you can write it in this way also. It is also correct, and this is more simplified form. ठीक है, और simplified form हो गया ये. दोनों का power 2 है, so you can write it all together in a bracket, whole to the power 2. So this is how we have to do such type of question. You have to convert, you have to write the given number in exponential form. It is in the form of rational number, and you have converted it into exponential form. Now children, see the next question. Question number 2, third part. Question number 2, third part, children. Let's do it. I am also doing, I am writing it. You also write down in your notebook. And do it side by side, children. No need to wait. Okay. See. Question number 2. Third part, minus 32. Okay. And divided by 243. 243. This is the question. And now let's see how we will solve it. Minus 32 is there, so we will keep the minus sign there. And minus 32 is what? Minus 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. Now you may think that why ma'am is saying in direct way. So let's solve it. Because you are beginner na, so how you will know that 32 is 2 to the power 5? 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. How do you know? So let's do the prime factorization method. Let's see. 32 and do the prime factorization. It can be divided by 2 because 2 is there. So 2 ones are 2, 1 is left. Okay, so 2 6 are 12. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. So how many 2s we have got? See, 32 is equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 more. Total how many 2's, children? 1 2 3 4 5. This is 2 to the power 5. Isn't it? Can we write it? So 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. You will put minus sign and 2 to the power 5. Minus sign is there, and 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. And 243 is how much? Can we write it in exponential form or not? Let's see it. So for the same, we will do the same process. We will do the prime factorization of 243. It is 3 to the power 5, but how do you know? You are beginner. How do you know that this is 3 to the power 5? So for that, what you will do? Prime factorization. 243. Obviously, beta 3 is there, so it will not be divided by 2. Unit place is 3, so it will not be divided by 2. So let's see whether it will be divided by 3 or not. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. The sum of all 3 digits is 9. So yes, it can be divided by 3. I am using class 6 divisibility rule, isn't it? If you remember it. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. 8 plus 1, 9. Again it will be divided by 3. So 3, 2 just 6. 2 is left. 2 is left. So 21. So 3 sevens are 21. Now 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. And 3 ones are 3. This is the answer. What is the answer? 243 can be written in this way. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times, children. 5 times it can be written. And in exponential form we can write it as the bases are same and you are multiplying, so their power will be added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No power means 1. So 243 can be written as 3 to the power 5. So write down 3 to the power 5. Or you can write it, just show it in the rough work if you are doing it first time. Okay. Or if the question will carry more marks, then show it. If it will carry only 1 mark, then no need to show it. It is up to you. Now, is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. This is the final answer. Because both the power were same, both powers were same. So we can write it in a bracket. Whole to the power 5. 2 का भी power 5 है and 3 का भी power 5 है. So this is more simplified form. Till here also you can do. Both were correct. Now, next question. Question number 3. Express each of the following as a rational number, children. You have to write these given questions, the exponential questions in the form of rational number. So quickly write down question number 3, first part. Question number 3, first part, children. Do it. Write down the question. How we will solve it? Just do it. 2 by 3 to the power 5. 2 by 3 to the power 5. Okay. Now let's see how we will solve it. Children, write down it. Question number 3, 2 by 3 to the power 5. Okay. So now see, I have written it already. Just one. This we have to write in a rational number. We have to express it in rational number. Right now it is in the form of exponent. It is in exponential form. Okay. So just split it, children. 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Or if you know it, you can write it directly. No need to expand it in this way. You write it directly that what is 2 to the power 5. In the previous question we have done it. We have done it, isn't it? If you will see this, question number 3rd. This is what? 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. 243, isn't it? So now we will do it. So I am erasing it. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32. And 3 to the power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means 5 times it will multiply. So it is 243. 243. This is the final answer. You have expressed this exponential form in rational number, as a rational number. ये exponential form में है और आपने इसको express किया है, लिखा है in the form of rational number. Next question. Next question is third question, third part. Okay, third question, third part, children. So it is minus 13 by 11 to the power 2. Minus 13 by 11 to the power 2. This is the question, children. Let's see how we will solve it. Minus 13 ka square will be minus 13 ka square. This is 13 ka square, okay, along with minus sign, divided by 11 ka square. First of all, segregate it. Segregate this power in numerator as well as in denominator. 13 का भी power 2 है और denominator 11 to the power is also 2. Now minus 13 to the power 2 means minus 13 will multiply 2 times with itself. Minus 13 will multiply 2 times with itself. It means this. And if you know the answer, you can write it directly. What is 13 ka square? This is 169. 11 square means 11 will multiply 2 times with itself. 11 will multiply 2 times with itself. So the next step is minus minus will become plus, children. Okay, two negative signs are there and it is multiplying, so positive will come. 13 into 13 is 169. If you don't know the square, you have to multiply it separately. It will take your time. Otherwise, I suggest you to remember till 20. Till 20, remember all the squares at least, not cube, but at least squares. You should know table till 20. You should know the squares till 20, children. Minimum. 11 into 11 is 121. 11 square is 121. So you have expressed this exponential form in rational number. Rational number में आपने convert कर दिया. See next question. Question number 3. Fifth part. Minus 1 by 2 to the power 5. Minus 1. Fifth part. Write down. Fifth part, children. Minus 1 by 2 to the power 5. Sometimes students may see the smaller number and they may get confused, or they do something wrong. See how. Minus 1, you may think that 1 to the power any number means 5, 4, 3, 1 to the power 6, 1 to the power 10 will always be 1. But children, here it is minus. So we have to think on those things. Okay, that what we will do. First segregate. Numerator is minus 1 to the power 5 divided by denominator is 2 to the power 5. Okay. First of all segregate. Minus 1 to the power 5, children. Minus 1 will multiply with minus 1 5 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 5 बार वो आपस में multiply होगा. Answer will be 1 always in number. But what about sign? Sign will be negative. You can see the power is 5. 5 times this negative sign will come. 4 times it will get cancelled with each other. Only one sign will be left. So the answer will be in negative. Okay. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Third time we are doing this. Third time. Today itself, third time we are doing. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times you will multiply 2. So you will get 32. Children, next question. Question number 7. Minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7 to the power 3. Come on, write down. Minus 4 by 7. I am erasing my board work. And we have to do question number 7. We have to do question number 7. Minus 4 by 7 to the power 3. Minus 4 by 7 to the power 3. This is the question. Now let's multiply. So it is cube, children. Now you may think that what has come. So till 20 also, if you know the cube, that will be better for you. Otherwise you have to multiply. What you have to do? Minus 4 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 3. Okay. 4 minus 4 numerator to the power 3 and the denominator is also to the power 3. Now minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 to the power 3 is 64. Okay, with minus sign aega. But I am writing because it's not necessary that you know all the cubes. Square so you can learn, but for cubes also, if you are not remembering it, then what you will do? You will expand it. minus 4 multiply 3 times with itself. 1, 2, 3 times with itself. Same way 7 will multiply 3 times with itself. 4 4 just 16 and this one is 16 children, and 16 4s are 64. 64 will come and minus sign will come because minus minus will become plus, so one minus will be left. Odd number na? Odd number is in power, so minus will come if it is a negative number. Now 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49 and 49 7s are 343. So you will write, because 7 cube is 343, that I know, 343. This is the final answer. Okay, minus 64 by 343. Let's see the next one, children. Next one is not there. Now question number 4. All even number question is for your homework. You will do it in your homework notebook. Now we will move to question number 4. Question number 4 is express each of the following as a rational number. Okay, we have to express it as a rational number. Only they want to see your concept is clear in the law or not. Because if you will see question number 4, negative exponent is there. Question number 4, first part. This is 4 to the power minus 1. 4 to the power minus 1. See. 4 to the power minus 1. Power is negative. The exponent is negative, children. It is negative. So what you will do, you will make it positive and then you will find it answer. In the question what they said, they have asked that express each. Okay, you have to write down it in rational number. Right now it is in एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. ये पावर की फॉर्म में, एक्सपोनेंशियल की फॉर्म में है. आपको इसको कन्वर्ट करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फोकस हियर. नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट, मेक इट पॉजिटिव. हाउ यू विल मेक इट पॉजिटिव? व्हेन यू विल रेसिप्रोकल द गिवन नंबर विच इज इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, है ना, जिसका ये पावर है, इसको आपको रेसिप्रोकल करना होगा. सो 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 4/1 to the power minus 1. It's same. 4 can be written as 4/1. You know this. Reciprocal of 4/1 is 1/4. And उसकी पावर क्या हो जाएगी बेटा? Now it will become positive. The negative exponent will become positive now. जो भी नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट है, चाहे 1 हो, चाहे -2 हो, चाहे -3 हो, now it will become positive. So here it is 1 minus 1, so it will become +1. And now what will be the answer? You know 1 to the power 1 is 1 and 4 to the power 1 is also 4. ठीक है, 1/4. This is now in rational number. ये क्या है? अब रेशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, थर्ड पार्ट. इफ यू वांट टू सी दिस, यू कैन सी इट अगेन. बस आपको इसको रेसिप्रोकल करना है. इफ देयर इज नो डिनोमिनेटर, पुट 1 इन द डिनोमिनेटर, रेसिप्रोकल करिए एंड मेक द नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट इनटू पॉजिटिव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, थर्ड पार्ट. 1/3 to the power -1. Same we will do. Power is in negative, exponent is in negative, children. 1/3 to the power -1. 1/3 to the power -1. चलिए देखते हैं बेटा how we will solve it. It's a exponential number because power is given and it is -1. In negative and -1, negative है. So we will focus on this. We will make it positive. How you will make it positive? How the exponent will be converted as positive? When you do the reciprocal of given number. Number is 1/3. Reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1. To the power, now what is this? -1, so it will become +1. Sign change, +1. And the answer is 3/1, or simply you can write it as 3. You can write it as 3. 3/1 लिखिए, चाहे 3 लिखिए, है ना? 3/1 और 3. Now children, question number 5, first part, 3 by 8 to the power 4. You have to write down its reciprocal. So reciprocal of this number will be 3 by 8. Reciprocal of 3 by 8 is what? 8 by 3, है ना? Reciprocal of 3 by 8 is 8 by 3. But here it is not 3 by 8 alone. Here it is 3 to the power 4 and 8 to the power 4. So the reciprocal of this will be write down this one, reciprocal as, लिखो बेटा यहाँ पे, as reciprocal of 3 by 8 is 8 by 3. Then therefore reciprocal of 3 by 8 to the power 4 is 8 by 3, but along with its power, 8 by 3 to the power 4, or you can write it as 8 by 4 is equal to, not equal to, reciprocal of this is, you can write it as is 8 by 3 to the power 4. You can write here, or reciprocal of, in this way you can write, because reciprocal of 3 by 8 क्या होता है? 8 by 3 होता है. So अगर उसके साथ पावर है तो पावर भी जाएगा साथ में. The power will go along with it. 3 to the power 4 है तो 3 to the power 4 will go in denominator, 8 to the power 4 will go in numerator, and both were having the same power, so we have kept it outside. 3 by 8 to the power 4 is 8 by 3 to the power 4. Only what you have to do, you have to just reverse it. Children, be careful, no need to confuse that. If you will reverse it, its power will be changed. Yes, its power will be changed, but both the things were equal, and here they have not asked for that. They are asking for reciprocal. उल्टा करो इसको, reciprocal करना है सीधे. So reciprocal will not be equal to that. Reciprocal 1 upon something होता है ना. So it will definitely not equal to that. Now next question is, sometimes children may get confused. They used to write that 3 by 8 to the power 4 is equal to 8 by 3. उल्टा कर दिया है तो -4. Yes, they are equal, but it is not reciprocal. ये इसके तो बराबर, ये तो reciprocal कैसे हुआ? अगर आपने इसको उल्टा कर दिया तो साइन भी तो चेंज हो गया है ना. So it is same as this. They both are equal. ठीक है, ये reciprocal नहीं है. This one is not reciprocal. It is equal to this. Either you write it in this way or you write it in this way. हम reciprocal करते हैं क्योंकि हमें नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव बनाना होता है, या पॉजिटिव को नेगेटिव तो नहीं बनाते हम लोग, ऐसा करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. So reciprocal मतलब आपको उसको उल्टा करना है वहां पे. You have to do it. Question number 5, 3. Question number 5, 3. Question number 5, 3 is what, children? Let's see. It is 6 to the power 7. 6 to the power 7. So 6 to the power 7, or we can write it as 6 by 1 to the power 7. हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So therefore reciprocal, now I am doing directly, reciprocal of 6 by 1 to the power 7 is 1 by 6 to the power 7. ठीक है, उल्टा कर दीजिए, पावर वही रहेगा. 6 to the power 7 नीचे आ गया, and 1 to the power 7 will go in numerator. This is the reciprocal. They are not at all equal. ये इसके इक्वल नहीं है. अगर आप लिखते हैं a का रेसिप्रोकल, तो a का रेसिप्रोकल इज 1 अपॉन a. हाउ कैन दे बी इक्वल? क्या ये a और 1 अपॉन a इक्वल है? नहीं. a इसका रेसिप्रोकल है, तो a इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन a आप नहीं लिख सकते. ठीक है, आप क्या लिखेंगे? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ a इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन a. तब सही रहेगा बेटा. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is question number 6, children. Find the value of each of the following. चलिए इसको वैल्यू निकालते हैं. फाइंड द वैल्यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 फर्स्ट पार्ट. I hope you have remembered this. 8 to the power 0. 8 to the power 0 children. Let's see this. 8 to the power 0 is what? Using 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Using law of exponent, 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Using law of exponent, 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Using this law, 8 to the power 0 is also equal to 1. बस यही लिखना है बेटा इसमें आपको. किसी की भी पावर अगर 0 है तो that will be 1. Now question number 6 third part. 4 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 0. Question number 6 third part. 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0. Okay, using laws of exponent, 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 4 की पावर 0 क्या होगा? 1 है ना. हम आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 4 to the power 0 is 1 and 5 to the power 0 is also equal to 1. Therefore 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus 1. ये भी 1 हो गया, ये भी 1 हो गया. That is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 आएगा. 4 to the power 0 is 1. 5 to the power 0 is also 1. Now let's see the next question. Question number 7 children. Question number 7. Simplify each of the following and express as a rational number. Okay, so let's start this. I am writing question number 7. Question number 7 first part. Let me do it fast. Question number 7 first part is 3 by 2 to the power 4. 3 by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 to the power 2. 1 by 5 to the power 2. Children, this you have to simplify and you have to express this in rational number. So 3, this is 3 by 2 whole to the power 4. It means what? 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4 into 1 का square, 1 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 2. You know that 3 to the power 4 is what? 3 to the power 4 is 81. ठीक है? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is a 9, 9 3 is 27 and 27 3 is a 81. So this is 81. You can expand and do it. It's your choice. 2 to the power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16. Into 1 upon 5 का square is 25. Now children, in the next step you have to simplify it. So you can see that it will not be simplified. ये simplify नहीं हो सकता. So multiply numerator with numerator. 81 into 1 and denominator with denominator. 16 into 25. Whatever answer will come, that will be your rational number. इसके बाद आप इसको simplify कीजिए. 81 1 is 81 and 16 into 25 simplify कीजिए. Whatever the answer will come, that is the answer. That is in the form of rational number. Time is less, that's why I am not calculating. Question number 7, third part. Let me solve it. Question number 7, third part. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 का square by 3 by 4 का square. Okay. See, here we can apply the law. Let's see how. This is minus 1 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 का square divided by 4 का square. 4 का square. 4 can be written as 2 का square. देखिए यहाँ पे. This is now the logic. See how. You will multiply the numerator with numerator. Minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 का square divided by 2 to the power 5 into now 4 का square है बेटा, तो 4 can be written as, see properly, 4 can be written as 2 का square. 4 can be written as 2 का square. 4 की जगह में हमने क्या लिख दिया, 2 का square. 2 का square is 4. तो instead of 4 I am writing 2 का square. Now 2 square का square, 2 into 2. This bracket means multiplication. 2 square, एक मिनट बेटा. This is 4. 4 का square. ठीक है? So 2 into 2, 4. So this will become, ultimately this will become how much? 2 का power 4. So I am writing 2 to the power 4. How? यहाँ पे आप लिख लीजिए. Because 4 square is 2 के square का square. That is equal to 2 to the power 4. You can write it. Because ऐसे आप लिखिए साइन, because 4 का square ऐसे हम लिख सकते हैं. Now why your ma'am has done this? Now let's see. Base are same. In denominator, देखिए denominator में base are same. You are multiplying them, so their power will be added. So this is minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 का square divided by 2 to the power 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. और यहाँ पे आप reason लिखिए. Reason is a to the power m, same base a to the power n, तो base a to the power m plus n. Base है same, तो power हो जाएगी plus. Base है same, multiply हो रहा है, तो power हो जाएगा plus. 5 plus 4 is 9 now. So next step is minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 into 3 का square divided by 2 to the power 9. Now next step is, you can see base is same in numerator and denominator. Base is same, so the power will be subtracted. 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है, and you are dividing them. So power will be subtracted. Minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3 minus 9 into 3 का स्क्वायर. सो माइनस 1 टू द पावर 5 इसको ओपन करते हैं बेटा, ये माइनस 1 आएगा. ठीक है? इंटू 2 to 1 into 9 अपॉन 2 to the power 6. इसको नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए इसको ऐसा किया गया है. Here the power is negative 2 to the power minus 6. Now it is in positive 2 to the power 6. So this is minus 9 upon 64. ये है आंसर. ठीक है बेटा? This is the final answer. Now next question. Question number 9, fifth part. Okay, and then we are having 8th question also. Let's do it fast. Let's do it fast, children. Question number 7, fifth part. Fifth part is minus 3 by 4 to the power 3. Minus 3 by 4 to the power 3, and then minus sign is there. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 to the power 3, and then it is multiplying with 4 का square. Okay. Minus 3 by 4 to the power 3 minus 5 by 2 to the power 3 into 4 का square. Okay. So see the question. This is the question. What we will do, children? We will first simplify this, which is there in the bracket. Minus 3 to the power 3, 27. 27 होता है. 3 की power 3 is 27, but minus sign is will be there. So minus 27 by 4 की power 3. 4 4 जा 16 and 16 4 जा 64. This will be 64 minus 5 to the power 3 is 125 and 2 to the power 3 is 8 along with minus sign. So when this minus sign will come out, यहाँ पे 4 4 जा 16 करिए. जब ये minus sign बाहर आ जाएगा बेटा, तो when the bracket will be open, then minus and minus will become plus. Okay, and now you will solve this first. You will solve this first because there is plus sign. 125 बाई 8, इसको 64 बना सकते हैं कैसे? मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 8, 8 8 द 64 होता है एलसीएम. नाउ द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी सेम. अभी डिनोमिनेटर आर नॉट सेम, सो वी कैन नॉट add them. So to make them equal, I have multiplied 8 here. So same number you will multiply in numerator and then into 16. So this will be minus 27 plus 125 into 8. It's 1000. 1000 by 64 and now it is 16. So this 16 will cut down. 16 से कटेगा ये? Come on. नहीं, 16 4s are 64. Okay. And 1000 minus 27, whatever the answer will come, that divided by 4. Okay. See the next question now. It is question number, we are doing question number 7, 5th part, isn't it? So it will be 973 children. In the answer it is 973 by 4. This is the answer. Subtract होगा और 973 बचेगा. Now next question is question number 8. Write down question number 8. Class is lengthy today, but you will sit back and do it properly. Question number 8, simplify and express each as rational number. इसको हमको करना है. So question number 8, first part. I am solving only one, children. Time is very less. 4 by 9 to the power 6. Okay. Then into 4 by 9 to the power minus 4. I hope it is clear. Yes. Question number 8, first part. See, 4 by 9, 4 by 9. Both the rational numbers are same. If the rational number are same, they are in exponential form and we are doing multiplication. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Multiplication कर रहे हैं. Same base, multiply हो रहा है. So power will be added. So write down the same base, 4 by 9 and add their power. 6 plus minus 4. यहाँ पे आप लॉ लिखिए. By using a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. ठीक है? a to the power m, a to the power n क्या हो जाएगा? बेस सेम है तो पावर विल बी एडेड. यहाँ पे आप लिखिए. Now next, this will be 6 minus 4. 4 by 9 to the power 6 minus 4. और 6 minus 4 क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 2. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Now ये तो अभी एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में है, बट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन इट इन रेशनल नंबर. सो एक्सपेंडेड 4 का स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 9 का स्क्वायर. 4 का भी स्क्वायर है और 9 का भी स्क्वायर है. सो 4 4s are 16 and 9 9s are 81. कभी कभी बच्चे 4 2s are 8 लिख देते हैं, गलत करते हैं. 4 का इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना, इसी को 4 को ही 4 से एक बार और मल्टीप्लाई कर देना क्योंकि 2 टाइम्स है. This is the answer. In question number 8, third part. 4 by 3, 4 by 3. Same है बेटा. So you will add them. Minus में आएगा answer. Answer will come as minus 5. So reverse it. So it will become plus 5. And now solve that answer. Okay. I hope the questions are clear. If it is not clear, see it again. Till then, take care.